Dear students, warm greetings to you all. Today we can see a new topic, functions. For example, when you think of your classmates in your class, mostly all of them will be having only same age. So that's what I have written. Consider your class. In your class, all your classmates are same, only one age. Okay. Now when you go for a bookshop, and when you see for the prices of the book, the books will be having distinct prices. That's what I have given in a bookshop. Each book corresponds to only one price, etc. Okay. Now I have drawn a arrow diagram. The set X consists of 1 to 5 numbers and the set Y consists of the letters A to D. Okay. Now this 1 is related to A, 2 is related to A, 3 is related to D, 5 is related to B, 4 is related to C. Okay. Now, this first set always represents a pre-image and the second set represents image. The other name for pre-image is domain and the other name for image is codomain. So now, let us go for the function definition. Okay. Now, every pre-image should have an image and also the image should be unique. Okay, every pre-image should have image means when we stand before a light, we should have an image. So, think it of it. When we stand, we should have an image. We cannot get the image of others. Okay, now that is the image should be unique. N of A equal to P, N of B equal to Q means number of functions from A to B is Q. Now we can see example 1.6. Let set X equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and set Y equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and the relation R is given as 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 8. Show that the R is a function and find its domain, codomain, range. Okay, in order to find out the range and codomain and domain, we can represent that in a arrow diagram. Okay, now the set X is the first set and set Y is the second set and the relation we have marked the relation as given in the book 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 8. Okay. Now, this we have to find whether it is a function or not. Now, in order to find the function, I have told you that all the pre-images should have image. அதாவது எல்லா pre-imageக்கும் ஒரு image. நான் சொன்னேன்ல நம்ம நின்னா நமக்கு ஒரு நிழல் இருக்கணும். Okay. Let us first find out whether all the pre-images have images. Yes. All the pre-images have images. The second condition is the important one and these images should be unique. அதாவது நம்ம நின்னா நம்மளுடைய image இருக்கணும். So this is also unique. அதாவது தனித்துவமா இருக்கணும். ஒன்றுக்கு image 2, 2க்கு image 4 அதே மாதிரி ஒரே இது ரிப்பீட் ஆகலை வேற வேற images. So R is a function. Domain, the first set 1, 2, 3, 4, that is set X. Codomain, second set 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and the second set Y. Range is different. So all the images that have pre-images are called ranges. That is a clue point. That means the elements which are all connected to the pre-image set. That means domain set is called range. The 2, 4, 6, 8. Example 1.7. A relation f from x to y is defined as f of x equal to x square minus 2 where x equal to set minus 2, minus 1, 0, 3 and set y equal to r. List out the elements of f. F is a function. In the previous sum, they have given the relation itself, but here they have given us a formula. So we have to find f of x for all the values of x. Okay. Example 1.7. So they have given us the f of x equal to x square minus 2, and also x belongs to the set minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 3. So for all the values of x, we have to find f of x. So when x equal to minus 2, f of x equal to, in the place of x, we have to substitute minus 2 the whole square minus 2, that is 4 minus 2, 2. And when x equal to minus 1, f of x equal to minus 1 the whole square minus 2, that is 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. When x equal to 0, f of x equal to 0 square minus 2, that is minus 2. X equal to 3, f of x equal to 3 square minus 2, 9 minus 2, 7. Okay. Now, these are all the elements. That means 2, minus 1, minus 2, 7. These are all the f of x. So, when we return as a f means set notation. So, minus 2, minus 2, 2, minus 1, minus 1, 0, 3, 0, minus 2, 3, 7. So, they have asked us to find domain, codomain and range. Okay. Now, let us, in order to find that whether it is a function or not, let us better draw a arrow diagram. So, okay. Now, the first set is x. Second set is y. Now, list out all the elements of x and list out all the elements of y. Okay. Now, you have to draw the relations. Minus 2, 2, minus 1, minus 1, 0, 2, and 3, 7. Okay. Now, first look for the pre-images and images, whether they have whether all the images have the pre-image. Yes, all the images have the pre-images, and also they are unique, no repetition in the image. So f is a function, and they have asked for domain. Domain is nothing but first set. So minus 2, minus 1, 0, 3. Codomain is the second set. 2, minus 1, minus 2, 7. Here, range and codomain are the same. 2, minus 1, minus 2, 7. Because all these images have pre-image. Now example 1.8. If set x equal to minus 5, 1, 3, 4 and set y equal to set ABC, then which of the following relations are from x to y? And as I told you that we have to draw an arrow diagram in order to find that. Okay. Now R1 is given as minus 5, A, 1, A, 3, B. Arrow diagram. Let us name that two sets are P and Q, and write all the elements of X and P in the first set and the elements of second set in the B. Now relate minus 5, A, 1, A, 3, B. Okay. Now first whether we have to find that whether it is a function or not. In order to find that, all the images, pre-images should have image. அதாவது எல்லா pre-imageக்கும் ஒரு நிழல் இருக்கணும். Now this 4 does not have any image. Okay. Now R1 is not a function from x to y. Okay. Why? Reason? Because 4 doesn't have the image on Q. Okay. Now second relation is given as minus 5, 6, 1, minus 5, B, 1, B, 3, A and 4, C. Okay. Now represent this in arrow diagram. Minus 5, B, 1, B, 3, A and 4, C. Now see that all the images have, all the pre-images have image. Okay. Now and also the Pre-images are distinct. Okay. Now here R2 is a relation. R2 is a relation, and this relation is a function from x to y. Okay. Now third one. Third one is given as R2, R3 plus minus 5 comma a, 1 comma a, 3 comma b, 4 comma c, 1 comma b. Okay. Now minus 5 comma a, 1 comma a, 1 comma b, 3 comma b, 4 comma c. Now here, in order to find the function, whether it is a function or not, we have to see that whether these pre-images have images. Yeah, all these pre-images have images. Okay. Now second one, they must be unique. See here, this one have two images. I told you that when we stand, we should have an image. Only one image we'll have. Okay. Now here one is having two images. So R3 is not a relation. Sir, R3, the relation R3. So R3 relation is not a function from x to y. Reason, because one is having two images. Example 1.9, given f of x equal to 2x minus x square, find f of 1, f of x plus 1 and f of x plus f of 1. Yes. Now write the sum f of x equal to 2x minus x square. F of 1 equal to, in the place of x, we have to substitute 1. 2 into 1 minus 1 square, 2 minus 1, 1. F of x plus 1 means 2 into x plus 1 minus x plus 1 the whole square. That is, in the place of x, we have substituted x plus 1. 2 into x plus 2 into 1, 2 minus. This minus should be outside the bracket. Start the bracket. Then expand according to a plus b the whole square, x square plus 2x plus 1. Now take this minus inside the bracket. So minus x square minus 2x minus 1. So plus 2x minus 2x cancel. So 2 minus 1 plus 1. So x square minus x square plus 1. Now f of x plus f of 1, in the place of x we can write the x itself, and in the place of 1 we can substitute 1. Already we have found out f of 1 equal to 1, so we can substitute here x square. So 2 into x plus x square, so x square plus 2x plus 1. So this is the answer. Exercise 1.3, let f equal to, set x comma y such that x comma y belongs to n and y belongs to 2x be a relation on n. Find the domain and codomain range. Is the relation a function? Okay. Now we have to find out, for all the values of x, we have to find the value of y with a formula y equal to 2x. Okay. Now when x belongs to n, x belongs to n means we know that natural numbers starts from 0. Sorry, x belongs to n means x equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay. Now we have to find, for all the values of x, we have to find y. Y also belongs to natural numbers. So that is 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay. Now first set 1, 2, 3, etc. n natural numbers. Y also belongs to natural numbers. We have to find for all the values of x. When x equal to 1, y equal to 2 into 1, 2. When x equal to 2, y equal to 2 into 2, 4. X equal to 3 means y equal to 2 into 3. So obviously when we multiply a number with a 2, it becomes even numbers. Okay. Now we have to find whether it is a function. Yeah, it is a function. How means all the pre-images will have distinct image on y. Okay, now this is a function x to y, f from x to y. We call that as f from x to y is a function. Okay. Now the first and foremost thing. First one, நம்ம எல்லா ப்ரீ இமேஜுக்கும் இமேஜ் இருக்கான்னு பார்க்கணும். இருக்கு. ஒன்றுக்கு வந்து 2 தான் இமேஜ். 2ங்கிற ப்ரீ இமேஜுக்கு 4 தான் இமேஜ். 3ங்கிற ப்ரீ இமேஜுக்கு 6 தான் இமேஜ். ஓகே. நான் அப்போ எல்லாமே கட்டாயம் இருக்கும். அப்போ இன்னொன்று அதாவது ஒரு ப்ரீ இமேஜுக்கு 2 இமேஜ் இருக்கக்கூடாது. So now here all are satisfied. So f is a function. Domain. Domain, I have always told you that this first set is always domain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. It is natural numbers. Codomain, that is also natural numbers. And range. Range, as you all know that when we multiply a number with 2, all becomes even numbers. Okay. Now range is 2, 4, 6, etc. set of all even numbers, and you have to write f is a function from x to y. For all x belongs to x, there exists y belongs to y. Let's set x equal to 3, 4, 6, 8. Determine whether the relation or set of all x comma f of x such as x belongs to x, f of x equal to x square plus 1 is a function x from n to n. Now for all x belongs to x, we have to find f of x. Set x equal to 3, 4, 6, 8. And when x equal to 3, we have to find f of 3. F of 3 is nothing but the formula is 3 square plus 1, 10. X equal to 4 means f of 4, 4 square plus 1, 17. X equal to 5 means 5 square plus 1. X equal to 8 means 8 square plus 1, 65. Now whether we have to find that whether it is a function or not. In order to find that, we have to draw a arrow diagram. List out all the elements of x and all the elements of y. Y belongs to natural numbers and x is 3, 4, 6, 8. Now find all the pre-images are image and also they are distinct. So f is a function from x to n, and since the reason is for all x belongs to x, there exists y belongs to y.